Hello you lovely people and welcome back to a new video. I'm out on the north coast, the Yorkshire coast. I'm at Cayton Bay. I've arrived. I'm just waiting for Matt, aka Okie Stokie, and there's a path here down just in the distance there. Probably won't be able to see it. There's a couple of people surfing down there, but the plan is when I get down, go that way along the beach and find a spot for the night. So join us to see what we get up to and what we cook. Right guys, I haven't filmed anything since earlier, but me and Matt got down to the beach. The tide was in, so we couldn't make it along the beach, so we stopped in the cafe, the salty dog. Had a cuppa in there, had a good catch up, then decided to walk along the Cleveland Way path, hoping it would bring us this side of the beach, which it did. There's a couple of guys fishing just by the pillboxes down there. We've cut in and we've found a little spot here. Well, what a view. So, my humble abode tonight, I am in the Bobcat. Oh, and if you know, you know. So we've got the 2-season army sleeping bag. There is my cheap Tesco pillow with my fleece cover. I've got the Nature Hike honeycomb mat, and under there I've got a cheap foil mat I got off Temu. But yeah, should be nice and cosy in there, nice and warm with that. Spare clothes, recording gear. Zip up, keep the bugs out. I'll show you Matt's set up when he's finished. Stokie is in the one Tigris. He's got inside there, he's got Nature Hike foam folding Z-Lite sort of foam mat, Trekology mat, sling bag. Cushy. It's the first time he's camped in this one. The one Tigris iron wall hot tent. Just got a little fire started. I'll do a bit of cooking shortly. I'm having pork and pasta. No, Stokie's going for a curry and sausages. He's not decided if he's putting his sausages in his curry yet. Sweet and sticky belly pork, reduced, not reduced fat, just reduced in price. That's why I bought it. Everything's got to be full fat. You don't get a body like this eating salads and Diet Coke This is pies, crumble and chocolate. What a cracking little location we found here. Got a swing there for swingers. I mean, it is knackered, but it'd be rude not to have a little swing. Hey, well, I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle's VIP. I'm going to get off before I break my neck. Oh. Belly pork. In the biggest zebra ever. It's curry, chicken curry, pork sausages, and over there we've got cauliflower rice. Okie Stokie is going to eat like a champion.
Certainly am.
Just in there, cauliflower rice.
Yeah.
Look at that, a full pan's worth.
Jobs are good.
Oh, we're going to get a look at this curry. Look at that.
Bubbling away nicely, that, isn't it?
You'll wish you had smell-o-vision because that smells divine. Ooh.
Ready for that,
That is tea served for me. Belly pork, cheesy.
Sit in that chair if you want down while I'm cooking this rice.
I'm alright, cheers mate.
You sit in, I don't know.
Cheesy pasta and belly pork.
Sorry, I didn't realise you were ready.
And there's the cauliflower rice. So, filming on my phone now because the light's that bad and I forgot to bring my light for my camera. So I'm going to eat this and enjoy the rest of the evening. There's Okie Stokie's tinner, chicken curry, sausage,
Belly buster.
cauliflower cheese, cauliflower rice. Guys, I'm not going to lie, it smells absolutely divine. Beauty that. Next here we've got crumble going there with the firewood left. Bobcat, one tiggerus, and out there is the sea. So we've got the crumble on the go. Apple, raspberry, brown sugar, cinnamon. So we shall be tucking into that shortly.
That one you did.
What is a camp without a campfire crumble? Is it really camping? That's been sitting on there for about half an hour. We've got raspberries, apple in there. We are going to eat like kings that eat crumble. Right, that's bedtime. Eating well. Pork and pasta, cheesy pasta, followed by raspberry and apple crumble. Not gonna lie, that crumble was rather nice. I'm surprised, if I'm honest. Raspberries was a good addition with the apple. Good to catch up with Okie Stokie. Not seen him for about 2 years when we went for a camp at Hallswater. So yeah, we had a good laugh around the campfire. So it's time for bed now. I'm going to get my head down and I'll catch us in the morning. Morning, you lovely people. So we're just packing up. That's where I was there. There's my rubbish, so as always, leave no trace. And what a beautiful morning. Got a couple of walkers on the beach down there. The tide is out. The tide is going out. Absolutely stunning. Sun just breaking through there, the clouds. So we're going to walk through, drop onto the beach and then walk along the beach instead of going up onto the Cleveland Way. What a night. We ate well. Good to catch up with Okie Stokie. Oh, this north coast is scattered, especially Cayton Bay, scattered with pillboxes. So we'll have a little look around one. There we go, we're in. Whoa.
Have you got in?
Oh. Cayton Bay, we were camped just over there. Matt, aka Okie Stokie.
Hello.
How was your camp, mate?
Smashing, mate. All the better for having good company, like yourself.
Absolutely top bloke. Came all the way from Stoke to have a camp with me. It's good to have a catch up. It's been so long, but
Like 2 or 3 years, isn't it?
yeah. But no doubt we'll have a camp again shortly. I think we're just going to go and check out another pillbox. Absolutely stunning on the beach today. It's time for a cup of tea.